What's up, y'all? So I know y'all read the title of this video, and it's just a little update. Since I've been back home in America, I do live in New York, and y'all, I wish I could go back. Well, I can. I don't have to wish, but just being back home, it's like, I don't know. If you go away often, or if you get a chance to take vacation here and there, then you know what I'm feeling. It's like that feeling of back home, back to life. Even though I know that everything is not always like vacation and lavish and luxury, and that's just like life 24/7 all year round for the average person. But I don't know, sometimes you visit places and you just feel like it's home. But if you are just clicking on this video for the first time, thank you very much. I appreciate you, and we love you on this side. I'm your girl, Shade Boo. And please make sure you get a chance to binge watch some of my other videos. And if you like what you see, if you can relate, if you just, you catching the vibe with me, then make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, share it, make sure you turn on your post notification so that when I post a video, you can pull up. To all my new followers, thank you, y'all. Wagwan. Thank you, y'all, so much. I appreciate y'all, and thank you for supporting, thank you for liking, thank you for watching, thank you for taking time out of your day to watch. Now, yes, so I came back from Jamaica on basically January 1st, and as you guys saw, I was up in the air for New Year's. Which, I mean, that is a good way to start the new year. I was flying high. That's how I want to start. That's how I want to end it also. So since we have been back from Jamaica, let me tell y'all how the trip really went. I mean, what y'all seen is what was happening, what I was doing. But if you watch my videos pre-vacation, when I was prepping and I was talking about like the different things that I wanted to do, I didn't do half of those things. And I wasn't able to do half of those things because of my daughter. Now, my daughter is 5, and she has her mature moments, and she has her before her time moments, but there's a lot more moments where 5-year-old shows up, and I expect that. She's 5. So if you know, in the islands, I'm pretty sure it's not only Jamaica, but in Jamaica, they have a lot of stray dogs. My daughter is scared to death. Like, she is willing to get hit by the car. She is willing to fall in a hole, a ditch, whatever it is, whatever's around her, she's willing to just flee, and whatever happens, happens. And so there was so much that we wanted to do, but we couldn't. I wanted to go to Mystic Mountain, and she's not gonna go up there. When we went to the beach, she did not want to get in the water. She's like, oh, if I go in the water, I'm gonna drown. I'm like, you're not gonna drown. You don't trust mommy? She's like, I don't trust nobody. So like, it was so much that I wanted to do, and we just couldn't. I tried to make the best of it, and what we did do and what we were able to do, which was obviously go out to eat a lot, but there were some adventures and stuff that I wanted to do. I wanted to experience swimming with the dolphins. My daughter would never. Like, she kept saying, I want to go home, I want to go home. And that's why I was saying in my videos, in my vlogs, that now I understand that when you go on vacation with your children, you have to be on a resort. The resort caters to their needs and their wants. The beach is there, the pool is there, or you can eat buffets, whatever it is that they want. And it's all different genres of food. They have the island food. They also have American food. They have Italian food. They offer so much for these children. So yeah, it was just, and my husband kept saying, I told you not to bring her this time. I told you not to bring her this time. But I figured she was bigger. The last time we was there, she was 3. She's 5 now. She's been talking about Jamaica. She want to go, she want to go, she want to go. So that's why I wanted to bring her. But I did not expect her to act the way that she was acting. I was like, girl. So, you know, anytime we're in the car and we're driving, we pull up anywhere, she does not want to get out the car. She's worried about the stray dogs. And I mean, these dogs, from what I experienced of them, don't come off viciously. They're just hungry and looking for food and just roaming the streets. Like, it's almost as if they don't even see you, honestly. But she was not trying to hear it. I'm not mad at her, because if you're scared of something, you're scared. Like, but I just was like, royalty, please. Like, so she either wanted to be inside the house or inside the car and don't get out. She wasn't really trying to experience anything. So that made it difficult for me and my husband. When we did get a chance to go out without her, and that was really fun, as you guys saw. That's in the last video. If you didn't see it, go watch it. That was a good time. But me and my husband, since we have been married, we also have not had a honeymoon. We have not went away by ourselves yet. It's always either with my kids, or we always have royalty, because the others are teens and really want nothing to do with us. You know that age that they're just like, bye mom, bye dad, deuces. So, you know, royalty's the last of the bunch. So she usually comes with us. But any which how we go, we have to go on a vacation with royalty, like a family vacation. It will be on a resort. That's for sure. And anything outside of that, because we like to rent out the Airbnbs, it will just be me and my husband. And I told my mother was like, let me tell you something, that girl stay with me, you got to give me some money. And my daughter, she like to spend. She like to spend, she like to go out, she like to eat good. So I understand to a T. And let me tell you something, I am like putting my coins to the side right now because she, no. No. Between my mom, granddad Blessed, grandpa Daryl, grandma Vanessa, y'all got to figure out y'all schedules. Share the time with royalty, because babysitters, y'all need to stay with that girl. Me and Greg got to go. I am not doing this again this year. I'm not doing it. No. So yes, I love her, but that's what made it difficult. That's what really happened in Jamaica. Homegirl was not having it. And mind you, we were there for 15 days, so never again. I hope it doesn't look funny. I don't have my my GoPro pod light yet, so I'm actually using the light from my phone to, you know, obviously face at me, so that you guys can see me clearly, because if I didn't, then it would be dark. I hope it's not coming across funny looking or anything like that. But outside of that, yeah, so just been catching up on life, trying to get into a new routine. Y'all, I am fat again. I'm fat again. My love handles are back. I was eating like crazy in Jamaica, which that's perfectly fine. I wouldn't say I was eating like crazy, because it was moments, but I was eating. Once I got back home, my father-in-law was here. First of all, I came home to oxtail, stewed brown stew chicken, escovitch fish, baked mac and cheese, rice and peas, curry goat, curry chicken. come on. You telling me y'all wouldn't mess up? That's what I came home to off the plane. And since then, I have just been eating. I have been eating. My name is Sade Boo. I am guilty. I have been eating. I have been eating. And so now, a little bit, I'm feeling it a little bit, but it's time for me to get back on my game and get serious again. And that's a wrap. Time to go back to my juicing. Time to go back to my lemon water. My walking a mile a day. And yeah, so I tell you, it's not easy. Like, trying to maintain a good weight, it's not easy. It is not easy. Like, and as you get older, it's a little bit harder to kind of keep it off. But as long as I wake up every day, I have another day to get it right. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna get back to my juicing. I said starting February 1st. Starting February 1st, I'm getting back to my juicing and drinking my water and making better eating decisions, what I eat, how much of it I eat. Also, I think I'm probably going to take out sugar again. And yeah, so y'all, it's not easy, but also Royce's birthday is coming February 6th. So yeah, just lightly preparing for that. Not doing really nothing crazy. I'm thinking to give her a little something at her school. But yeah, y'all, so that's what really freaking happened. That is what happened. Y'all, imagine being on vacation with your kids and you're just like, stop. No. Stop whining. Stop crying. What are you crying for? Does that make sense? No. Stop. Don't sit there. Move. You spilled that. Clean that up. Pick that up. Put that back. Go to bed. Go lay down. You need rest. Go to sleep. Eat your breakfast. Eat your lunch. Eat your dinner. That was every day. That was every day. So yeah. And my husband was just quiet, and he would say his little things to her here and there when she would act up and stuff. But it was always, I felt like, a side eye, like, I told you not to bring her. I told you not to bring her. But yes, so yeah. But listen, if you are subscribed, stay tuned, because Jamaica, I'm coming back. I mean, there's other places I would like to go to and visit, but I love Jamaica. I love it. And remember, you guys, my husband is from there, so that just makes it even better. So that's what really happened, and I had to update you guys on, you know, since I've been back and stuff. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Thank you for taking time out of your day to check in with me. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so that when I post, you can pull up. And also, if you guys have any ideas, it is a new year. If there's something new you would like me to do on my channel, if there's something you would like me to do with my husband, let me know. If there's any challenges, if there's anything you want me to do a review on, if there's any place in New York that you would like me to go, just hit me with some ideas and I shall deliver. Make sure you comment, because I do respond in my comments. I like to just, you know, keep the community close and the communication open. And yeah, I'm not hard to reach. So thank you for watching. I love you guys. Remember, I'm your girl, Sade Boo. Like, share, subscribe, comment below, and till the next video.